Namaste friends, I am Ritesh and today our topic is supine spinal twist, also known as Jathara Parivartanasana-A. So it is one of the finest poses to neutralize and restore your spine. It's very relaxing, and as you progress with this posture, you'll find you can, from a relaxing posture, you can really make it intense. So it depends, what are you aiming for? Are you aiming for relaxation? Are you aiming for a little bit of core activity, really strengthening your core? So it all depends upon what is your aim. But before you get into the practice, it's very important to know that people with back pain, shoulder injury, so basically back injury or shoulder injury, should avoid this pose. Also, if women are in pregnancy, just don't do this pose because it's quite a compression on your abdomen. So friends, it comes into a beginner level or intermediate level supine hip opener twist. And before we get into the practice, it's very important to focus some of the asanas. So we call it a preparatory poses, the asanas that you need to do before. So we have bridge pose, we have wind releasing pose, and a supine cushion pose. So these are the asanas you need to practice before you do a supine belly twist. Friends, now let's get into the pose. So our posture starts with a supine position. So we lie down on our back. So make it a point, a habit, to always lie down from the sides, not like this. Okay, but if you have a strong core, no problem. So from here, I take my arms to the sides. Okay, so both the arms go to the sides. I bend the knees. Now if I want to make this posture really very easy and I want to give a nice flexibility, de-stressing, restorative, so I take the knees to the chest. Inhale, and as I exhale, I twist. I relax my neck and shoulders. Now my head position, it can be towards the ceiling or it can be towards the opposite side. And I breathe. Now see that the knees are stacked each other, the hips are stacked on each other, and you twist. Breathe in and breathe out. That's very relaxing and restorative. As I breathe in, I come back. This variation is quite relaxing and de-stressing. Now if you want to really make it intense, you want to get into the intermediate level of this pose. So instead of keeping the knees to the chest, I keep the legs to a 90-degree angle. And keeping the legs to a 90-degree angle, inhale, and then I slowly use your core, and now it's relaxing. So once the knee comes on the floor, it's very relaxing. But when you are into that movement, into the transition, there is where your core works harder. So what you can do is, you can also add a dynamic movement. So inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. You can go on both the sides. You can go on the left hand side, you can go on the right hand side, and you can keep moving like a wiper front to back, but not keeping the knees on the floor, because the time you keep the knees on the floor, it's quite relaxing and de-stressing. Friends, that was your twisting of your spine. It's the number one, that is Jathara Parivartanasana-A. So it builds strength in your core. It gives nice flexibility to your erector spinae muscles. It is de-stressing, it is detoxifying, it reduces back pain, improves digestion function, it alleviates gas and constipation. So friends, it's a lot of therapeutic effect this posture has. So it relieves also menstrual discomfort. So just be careful. People with back injury or neck injury should avoid the pose. Pregnant women should not do that pose. Friends, that was your supine belly twist A. Okay. So in case you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe. And yes, if you have any suggestions or comments, please mention in the comment section below. Namaste.